Hi everyone, my name is Emily and I'm an early learning specialist here at EarlyON Sec, and today we're going to make our own light jars. If you've been to our centers before, you might have seen our big light tables that we have. Light tables give children an interesting sensory experience where they can see if things let the light through or if they block them out. While these experiences are great, the large light tables that we have in our centers probably aren't practical for your home because of the size and the cost. So today we're going to make our own light table using materials that you can probably find around your home. To make your light jar, you'll need a mason jar or any jar that's see-through. I've chosen to go with glass, and glass can be scary with children, but I'll tell you why it's important. When children use glass in a play setting, they have the opportunity to practice handling glass in a safe environment. When children are able to handle glass in a safe environment, it makes them less fearful when it comes time to handle glass in the real world, such as putting out plates or glasses when setting the table. It's also important to understand what to do when glass is broken, how to be safe around the sharp pieces, and how to clean it up. If you're concerned about your child in glass, make sure that they're playing on a soft surface and that you're always observing their play. That way, if it does break, you can intervene and show them how to clean it up safely. Of course, if you're not ready for your child to play with glass yet, you can always go with plastic. You'll also need a variety of loose parts to put in the light jar. Now, these loose parts can be anything you find around your home, such as ice cubes, gems, bouncy balls, magnifying glasses, hair elastics, or beads. You'll also need a light source. So I have these little finger lights as light sources, but if you don't have these, you can use a flashlight. These finger lights can be found at the dollar store. Now, there's no real way to use the light jar. You can let your child's imagination run with the loose parts that they have available to them. They may want to stack all the gems up and shine a light through to see the way that the colors reflect, or they might want to take something a bit more solid and see if the light will go through. You can also flip the jar upside down and shine the light inside, or put things on top to see what type of shadows they can make. Your children can also begin to classify and sort the items that they put in the light jar. For example, you might see that clear items reflect the light shone through it, whereas colored items make a different color light. You can also show them that light goes through some objects, but doesn't go through others. In the end, it's all about creativity and using loose parts to explore light. But of course, the best way to play with a light jar is in the dark. Enjoy this experience and enjoy exploring with your children.